Hi friends, this is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up. I'm going to show you how to make DIY fire starters using 3 recycled items, and then at the end of the video we'll put one to the test in my fire pit. You will need some lint from your dryer, an egg carton, and leftover Scentsy wax. Have you ever wondered what to do with all that leftover Scentsy wax? This is perfect for that. First, you need to cut the sides off of your egg carton. Next, you need to take your dryer lint and stuff it into the egg carton like so. Then, to avoid making a mess of your countertop, I would recommend putting down a piece of parchment paper or newspaper or something of the sort. Now take your melted Scentsy wax and just drizzle it over the dryer lint in the egg carton just like this. There really is not an exact science to this. It starts to dry pretty quickly. And your last step will be to cut out each section of the egg carton just like this. And here is our finished project. Now let's put it to the test. These fire starters are amazing. They are easy to make, easy to use. You can take them with you camping. You can use them at home on the fire pit, on the deck. We used ours in our fire pit this evening, and we only needed to use one to keep this fire going all evening. It eliminates the need for newspaper, leaves, kindling, or anything else to help start a fire. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe below for more content like this.